in this amazing Akins Ford F-250 Covert Edition, and I'm about to pull up here and stunt on these stock Super Duties one time. You know I like to show you custom is better than stock every time, so we're pulling up right here for a good little display and showpiece. Let's get after it. Hope everyone's doing great. You know I'm popping out a champion. We're about to go to the Natty in less than a week, so I'm super pumped and excited about the dogs, but super excited about what we got going on right here at Akins and Willies on the daily, y'all. Two comparisons. Here we go. We got a stock Akins Ford F-250, and right next door, a Covert Edition leveled on 37s. First of all, a stock truck is still a great truck. It's just not real deal next level type truck. That's why we got our Covert Edition pack. It's been going strong for over 4 years now, and it's been nothing short of phenomenal for us. And we're thank you so much for checking out all our great videos about all our customs, because it gives you great variance and variation to see the difference between things. Plus, you know, we just have a ball. We know how to have fun, and we know how to build custom trucks, so it's like the perfect harmony because everyone loves automobiles. It is a part of America, as you see there. Our Covert Edition has been so popular. Up front, you can tell headlights are distinctly different first and foremost. So we have the Morimoto XB LED headlights, are so much brighter, put out so much more light. It's a safer, better looking fitment in comparison to the halogen style headlights right there. So a good direct comparison side by side. These are just more of a yellow light. It's not near as bright. This lights up the road a whole lot more. Put our parking light on, enough to showcase that DRL, the daytime running light. Look at that, so signature. Morimoto, definitely my favorite aftermarket headlight application. I mean, just which one looks better, here or here? Especially don't let me light that up and see all that yellow in there. This is the way to go. High beam, low beam, money set up, trimmer valence up front, make it making it look so much more rugged. And I'm out here getting rained on. I don't care, y'all. Look, there's that pesky factory one there, leveled on 37s via a 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring up front, Falcon shocks from ready lift, front and rear as well, front track bar, relocation bracket, TIS 544 BM tried and true wheel in a rendition of 20x9 plus 18 on the offset. So we're on the mile to mile scale. We're nice and tucked in. Yes, we don't have to go crazy on everything, y'all. This is a great balance right here. Leveled on 37s to flow, sitting nice and clean. Things we still have to do is rear wheel well liners in the rear to clean that up. That's gonna be a must. And these Lariat trucks we've been getting here lately do not have any kind of board. So Amp Research power board. We got an Akins liner guaranteed for life. This is just a great truck to showcase our foundational Covert Edition options. Level kit, wheels, tires, speedometer calibrator, WeatherTech floor mats, bed liner, rear wheel well liners, trimmer valence up front. We know how to do it, y'all. Thank you so much. We're rocking and rolling here early January 2023, and our inventory is still better than most. That's why you gotta come mess with us, because we got the inventory, we got the people, we got everything auto to take care of anything from accessories to stock. But you know, you have more fun when you mess with us over here at Willies. Another rendition ready to hit the lot. It's on the lot as of this afternoon. Toyota RT open country tires, hybrid tire, truly amazing. This one is a diamond to me. It's not gonna last long. There's just a certain sense of strength that comes along with driving Akins Ford F-250 Covert Edition. I'm just telling you, the power and the convenience and the stature that comes with our product here, specifically the Covert Edition and our Everest Editions, is quite phenomenal. The truck in the stock form is unbelievable anyway, especially over any other brand. I'm just telling you, I've dealt with all of them, and from a power standpoint and luxury and all the above, it's got it going on. So you just got to come experience the Super Duty with us, because we are the place to do business with, y'all. One final thing before I let you go today, we have the blue tags on there for all of our standard vehicles, but boom, the Willies Akins Ford tag up front to match goes along much better with the black there, and then Outback 2, same thing. Plus also we have our Willies badge and our new Covert Edition badging to complete this bad boy. Now let's sell it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another one while you hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Until next time, thank y'all so much. Go dogs, and peace out.